Today we're going to be installing the Promata Tyre Pressure Sensing Kit. We have a kit for the prime mover, which is the Mercedes we have here. We have two kits, one each for the A and B trailers. We need to mount the monitor inside the cab, and we're going to open the bonnet on the Mercedes here and find a power supply and continue with the install. Because I'm familiar with these vehicles, we're going to use a park light supply, which is that colour, and we're going to need to have the park lights turned on so the prime mover can communicate with the trailers. We need to run wires from the inside of the cab to the outside, so we're just going to put this through as a draw wire. Remove a couple of dash trims. And there's the draw wire I take through from the other side. Secure that and drag it through. So we'll just get our mounting bracket and a cleaning wipe so the adhesive sticks. We have a existing negative wire there that we've previously installed, so we'll get our negative battery there. And the park light wire we found earlier. Solder the connection. Some insulation. all done. We're going to install our sensors to the vehicle. We have dual wheels at the back, so 4 at the rear, 1 at the front. You'll see our sensors are labelled, so they go to the specific wheel that's paired to the monitor in the cab. So we'll just start and work through. Two A for the curb side one. Two B is the second one in. We've got an extension to take off. We'll get a bit of help to reach into to fit the sensor. And we'll do the same for 3A and 3B. We then have an amplifier for the prime mover. Just need to mount it somewhere at the rear to help communicate from the wheels to the monitor. We're going to mount our amplifier for the sensor system. We need to connect to park light, which we have available here, and it's just a good easy spot to work. Secure that with this that I got myself. We have our booster we need to mount to the trailer. So we've fitted some magnets which will easily attach it to the frame. I'm going to put just a bead of silicone to make it a little more secure, and then the wiring up to park light as we've used on the rest of the job. This trailer only has single wheels, so you need 3 sensors for this side, labelled 1A, 2A, 3A, and it's just as simple as sticking them on. So we've just been and picked up our A trailer after installation was complete. The screen has immediately picked up the trailer, and we're reading tyre pressures on all of the sensors, and we have to go and find the second trailer now. The system has picked up all trailers, all sensors, and is gradually scrolling through. Prime mover trailer 1, prime mover trailer 2. All pressures are good, and we're ready to go for a trip.